Hey guys, it's Jen and welcome to another video. So today is an exciting day. Dave got me a Candid retainer box. If you don't know what Candid is, neither did I. They're like Smile Direct, where they will send you a mold kit for you to make imprints of your teeth. You send it into them and they send you back these retainers that you can put on your teeth and helps to straighten your smile. I never got braces when I was a kid, and I have a small mouth and adult-sized teeth, so I have what's called crowding, and so my teeth are all kind of like a little bit crooked, plus I had bad habits, biting my nails and all these kind of shenanigans. So this obviously could be a source of insecurity for a lot of people, myself included. My parents just have naturally, pretty great teeth. My younger siblings also have great teeth. I was the only one that got like crooked teeth, and I think up to a certain point, I think it wasn't until I was a late teenager, young adult, where we kind of tossed around the idea of me getting braces, but I just couldn't afford them at the time. Still can't. I cannot believe it costs so much for braces, and you have to have them in for such a long period of time, and I just didn't have the time or the funds for that. But that being said, I feel like I have done a pretty good job of not letting it get in the way of me living my life and being confident. I've been making videos on YouTube for many years, and I see all these other content creators and they look so gorgeous. I also had pretty bad eczema in my college years, in my early 20s, and that was actually like so difficult for me because I had never had any kind of skin issues before that, and the fact that it was like all over. It was like I had patches on my face, on my neck, it was like all over my arms, my legs, my whole body. I would have like these really bad eczema breakouts for, I'd say, maybe 2 years, and that actually really messed with my self-confidence in terms of my self-image. And I tried lots of different things, like changing my diet, creams, all this kind of stuff. Nothing worked, nothing helped, just got worse. And one day a light bulb just clicked in my mind that I just need to let go of that stress. I just need to stop worrying constantly about covering my body. Is it visible? Do I need to put some concealer on? Always wearing like high neck stuff, and maybe that's why I don't like wearing high neck clothing anymore. It brings back that feeling. Anyways, once I got rid of that insecurity around eczema, it actually dropped off. It went away. I only get patches here and there during seasonal transitions or when I'm like extremely stressed out. But when I got over that insecurity of my skin, I think it also helped me to just not care as much about my teeth and how that makes me look, because I really believe that beauty comes from the inside out. Your character and who you are as a person matters more. The way that you live your life, your actions, your words, how you treat other people, that is much more attractive. And I think because I started living with that confidence, just living with, hey, this is me, this is who I am, I cannot change my appearance, but I can take control of my character, so that's going to be my best foot forward. And I think that served me pretty well so far. I didn't have problems getting dates, I didn't have problems making friends, I didn't have problems getting a job. I knew what my flaws were, but I didn't let them get in the way. So if that can be a little motivator to you today, I don't know, side note, there's your motivator. Don't let the things that you feel insecure about get in the way of building good character and shining, glowing from the inside out. Because when you do that, it outshines whatever imperfections you might have. I started to smile with my teeth on camera. I'm not afraid to be on video. I'm not afraid to put myself out there. But Isn't it so sweet that my husband was like, but let me give you a little something special and help you with your teeth. So we're gonna try this out. I have no idea if this even works. Let me show you what's in the box. So we got this beautiful box, very nice branding, clean and white, holographic sticker, Candid. So first off, let me just go ahead and show you what came in the starter box. I'll just open it up right there. There are 3 steps, and the first one here says read. And it's basically a brief rundown of safety tips to know before you get started. Step 2, you've got your putty mixes in order to make your teeth impressions. And then step 3 is a box where you will pack up all of your teeth impressions, send in to Candid, where an orthodontist will examine your molds and decide if you are a candidate for a treatment plan. Candid is really on top of their game. As soon as you receive your starter kit, they will text you and let you know that you have 72 hours to create your impressions and send it back to them. They will even create a return order for you, so all you have to do is pop your box in the mailbox and they'll know when to pick it up. So they don't actually send you instructions on their step 1 card, but they do text you the link for how to do your imprints. So I am just looking through that right now. Taking impressions can be tricky. We're here to help. What you'll need: 3 upper trays, 2 lower trays, mirror, catalyst, base, and timer. Prepare for first impression. All right, we're gonna try this. Let's go. So you're gonna find 2 types of putty in your starter kit. The pink is a silicone polymer and the white is a platinum catalyst. You're gonna need 1 of each for every mold you create. Now underneath your putties will be a second tray that contain your cheek spreaders, and these are going to come in super handy when you take photos of your teeth. That way when the orthodontist examines your molds, and that way they have an accurate picture of what your actual teeth look like when they are creating a treatment plan for you. Now on to your trays. These are the upper trays.
And these are the lower.
These are the lower trays. So I'm gonna start with an upper mold first. We have the catalyst as well as the silicone polymer here. We're gonna need some gloves. Ding! All right, so let's pop each of these babies out. Ooh, here we go. The directions tell you to take each of the putties and squish them together and blend it all so that it becomes one homogeneous color. And this should take no longer than 1.5 minutes. Once you get all the streakiness out and it becomes this uniform pink color, you want to mold it into a worm, into a tube shape, and fit it into the mold. All right, it says to use a mirror. I'm a little nervous. Okay, it says, align your teeth along the illustrated dotted line. That dotted line. So in the middle of the tray, use your thumbs to firmly press the tray onto your teeth. Once you've started pushing the tray onto your teeth, do not take the impression out or rotate in your mouth. You should feel the putty covering your gums when fully seated on your teeth. Is positioned over the tray. 3 minutes and 30 seconds before removing. All right, I'm gonna do this at a timer then. Okay, here we go. Wow, this is really wide. How am I gonna fit this in my mouth? I don't even know. Oh no, it said not to take it out. Shit. Oh no, I think I ruined it. Can I try again? Oh my god, guys. This is disaster. This is disaster. Okay. Alright guys, so I just took the first impression out. I definitely did it wrong, so it's a good thing they have extras in here. In the picture, the putty looks like it's supposed to like come out through the cracks. I don't know if it's because I kneaded it for too long or didn't put it in fast enough, but it was already a little firm by the time I put it in my mouth. So as you can see, the indentations are not very deep, and it also did not squeeze out through the cracks here. Also, pro tip for you, when you are doing this, make sure you have a towel handy, because as soon as I put it in my mouth, gag reflex central, and also for the whole 3 minutes and 30 seconds, like drool. I was just drooling like a dog. I don't know, is this just me? Is this TMI? Trust me, you're gonna want a towel. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the next ones a little quicker. Let's do this. Oh my lord. Guys, it is a mess up in here. The dogs are like, Mom, what are you doing? You're a mess. Get it together. Okay, so this time it's nice and soft still. Let me quickly put it in. Oh. Mmm. Alright, so second attempt, much better. As you can see, I've got way more indentation. It was squishy when I put it in my mouth, and you can see that it's coming out of the sides a little bit, just like the pictures. So I think I did better this time. I've got one more upper to go and then 2 lowers. Okay. So that's my final one. Let me show you all of the ones that I did. So these are all of my impressions, 3 tops, 2 bottoms. As you can see, I think I did it right. The indentation looks pretty clear. I don't see a ton of pulling or stretching that happened while I was putting it in or out. I'm so glad they sent extras, because I definitely made a couple bad ones here. For example, this one where you can see the indentation is extremely shallow. All right, so I'm ready to put my impressions in the box and send it away. And the great thing is it already comes with a label on the back. I just pop it in my mailbox and it'll get picked up tomorrow.